It can be beneficial to take advice from people who have already succeeded financially if you want to do the same. Many millionaires share common behaviors that have aided in their money accumulation and maintenance, and they are frequently regarded as models of success. Here are 5 millionaire habits that you could regret not embracing. You can prepare yourself for a better financial future and possibly become a billionaire by being aware of these behaviors and adopting them into your own life. These habits can help you get there regardless of where you are in your financial path or your goals for increasing your money. Number 1. Investing much more. Millionaires don't only keep their money, they also invest it in things that have a chance of succeeding, such stocks, real estate, and other enterprises. If you wait until later to start investing, you run the risk of missing out on the potential benefits of compound interest. Investments are the most effective way to progressively enhance your money. Number 2. Making objectives. Setting specific, quantifiable goals plays a significant role in the focus and tenacity that are hallmarks of successful people. You can determine your objectives and develop a strategy to reach them by defining goals. Without objectives, it's simple to become sidetracked and forget what's crucial. Number 3. Perpetual learning. Millionaires are accomplished people who are lifelong learners. Reading books, attending conferences, or enrolling in courses are all examples of investments in knowledge that can pay off in the long run. You'll gain knowledge that you can apply to further your career, start a business, or accomplish your own goals. Number 4. Making connections. By building a strong network of relationships, both personal and professional, you can find new opportunities, learn from others, and gain significant insights into numerous businesses and industries. Wealthy individuals are skilled at connecting with others and building networks, and they understand the importance of surrounding themselves with successful others. Number 5. Discipline. Perhaps the most important habit of millionaires is discipline. They are thoughtful about their financial decisions, time management, and energy consumption. They do not allow setbacks or other challenges to prevent them from achieving their goals. By being disciplined in your own life, you can acquire the willpower and concentration necessary to achieve your own success.